I'm John Kiszla, the Lincoln Whisperer, but I also do T-Birds.
The man, the myth, the legend when it comes to T-Bird and Lincoln convertible
Yes.
tops.
And I want you to know that my very first car was a 62 Thunderbird convertible that I bought when I was 15 and a half. So there isn't a part on this car that I don't know.
Yeah, this is John's bag.
That's bragging. Sorry.
I've watched him fix these tops in the hotel parking lot right before a show. Witnessed it.
Witnessed.
In my own eyes. With my own eyes. In with whatever. Tomato, tomato. All right, what are we testing first?
I want to see if the flipper panel opens.
Okay, it did.
Hold the trunk for me, please.
Yes. It did the other day. Yep. All right, we got that far.
Okay.
So
That's good.
that's promising, right?
So, yeah, so hang on. Oh, yeah, it's not going to close. It's not
Yeah,
gonna close
no,
for
it's
me.
up now.
All
Because
right.
we got the Rams undid. We undid the Rams.
For the top, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, for the, for the trunk lid.
Oh, for the trunk lid.
Yeah,
how
they're
about the
unbolted
ones-
from here.
How about the ones for the top?
We never
They're-
touched those because we're like, let's call the man, the myth, the
We
legend.
don't want to pinch anything in here and see what happens here.
We got a whole lot of nothing past this the other day. That's what we got. Yeah, the flapper works, and that's about as far as you get.
All right.
I'll go around the other side. Get a better view of the legend at work. I'm just going to keep calling you that,
All
so
right.
get used to it.
It looks like somebody has replaced one relay that I see over there.
Yeah, it's got one new one and like 7 old ones.
Yeah, we might have a top-down relay problem, but we'll figure that out.
And then we'll discuss our leaking and...
Yeah, you know, it looks like you have original hydraulic rams for the trunk, which, or at least something that has been through a renovation, and they're leaking, and so are some of the hoses, it looks like. It looks like the hose is weeping.
And you told me that these aren't routed properly either.
No, they're not. They need to be routed slightly differently, just so they don't pull. Like, you see how that one's pulling over there?
Right
That's
here?
going into
Yes.
Into this solenoid.
Yeah, that's bad.
And the hydraulic solenoid's upside down.
Oh.
So, not that that matters a whole lot, but it just puts stress on the hose.
Yeah.
The pump looks fairly new, so I'm encouraged that somebody did some work there, and they probably changed the pump and the hoses at the same time. The top hydraulic cylinders don't look like they're original. They look like they... Well, I take that back. This one looks original. That one looks
This
replaced.
one looks replaced. That one does look OE because of the
Yeah.
wear and tear.
So, so it's just a matter of figuring out what needs to be rectified so we can get this top down.
Fun. All right, so what did we sort of discover?
Well, hold on. I'm identifying which relay we have at fault here.
Which is clicky clicky. You ready?
Yeah. Do that again. All right, you can stop.
Okay. You're the boss. You just tell me what to do. Do that again.
That is the pump motor
Mm-hmm.
and the hydraulic solenoids. The two hydraulic solenoids that are just forward of the pump motor.
Got it right here.
Okay.
Yep. You got that going with the jumper.
Yeah. So what that's telling me is that the motor contact inside this little relay is bad. So we're going to replace the relay,
All right.
and then we'll have, then we're, the top pump will be able to put the top down. Now, what I'm hearing is, since I'm not getting any action,
Yeah, it's not going
I'm
like getting a
hearing
load.
that there's probably no fluid in it. And I didn't bring my fluid thing with me. It's at home, but I could always run back and get it. Because we need to put fluid into the system and then see.
I've done that with a funnel with a small piece of hose on
Oh,
it
yeah.
before. So we can do that here.
It can be done that way. I have a pump that I use, like a 1 gallon jug with a pump on it that's got Type F transmission fluid in it.
Gotcha.
Because, you know, I do this every day.
Yeah, this is, well, this is your department.
Yes. To the
New
to the power source is
functional.
Threaded. That's the
Nice.
new relay. I buy these at Bird Nest up in Oregon.
We love Bird Nest. We buy a lot of stuff from Bird Nest.
Griff
Good-
is
good
my guy up there. Yeah.
Yeah. There's other T-Bird vendors that are closer. We're not gonna mention.
Yeah.
But they're down the street in Corona. And
Oh, really?
They kind of suck.
I need to
Don't deal with them.
don't deal with that Corona, huh? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see here.
Rhymes with Mary's. Or Harry's.
Or Harry's. Okay.
And it starts with an L.
I don't know them, so
Oh.
that's okay because I'm always working with T-Bird HQ. You know, I work with T-Bird HQ in Concord because they're practically in my backyard.
Yeah, that's like your next door neighbor almost for you. Wow. All right, so new relay going in, and then we shall test.
Let's see if this helps our top situation.
Ooh. Once you're all hooked up, we will